Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again with another video. Today, I'll be doing a review of a Bluetooth speaker. Alright, portable Bluetooth speaker. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell so you're notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Stay tuned towards the end of the video, get some information about the channel, alright? Alright. Now that we got all that business and politics out of the way, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down here. Go down here at the bottom and hit that subscribe button. Alright? Now we got all that business and politics out of the way. Let's get to the video. Alright. I'm about to throw the thing around. As you can see, tell we doing it live. No retakes and nothing like that. But yeah. I got the new Bluetooth, well it ain't new, but it's a newer version of the JBL Clip. This is the JBL Clip 3. Now I was checking out online, and I happen to have a good, got a good discount on it at Kohl's. Regular price I think was like $69. Now I think I got it with all the discounts. I got it for like $29, so it was a no-brainer. Yeah, no-brainer. And JBL makes some good speakers, and I've been checking out anyway. This is something good to put in the shower, or clip to your backpack, or you know, by the pool or something. But anyway, let's get to the speaker. Here it is in the box. Alright. And let's see what the side of the box say. Dare to listen to music. JBL by Harman Kardon. Clip 3. And you can see this on the bottom of the box. I got it in red colorway. Alright. And see, yeah, the regular price was $69. I got it for like for $29. Let me get it a little closer so you can see it. Yep. At Kohl's. Alright. So let me get my unboxing knife out of here so we can get it in this box. I got Rainbow Bright on deck. Let's see if we can get it out of the box. Let's see here. Without cutting myself. No, I think I got it. Alright. If not, we're just going to have to go beast mode. Look like we're going to have to go beast mode on here. There we go. Put the knife to the side. Get it out of the box. Like a 10-hour battery life. Alright, let's toss this box to the side. We don't need that box no more. Let's see what we get here. We get the instructions. Go ahead and put this knife out of the way for Rainbow Bright up for end up trying to cut up something else. Alright. You got your little instruction booklets and everything. Toss them to the side for right now. Let's see what else coming here. Okay, you get a charging cable. Let's see what kind of car. Okay, micro USB charging cable. We'll take that out. I'm not sure how much of a charge it has on it, but we'll see in a minute. Alright, toss that to the side. Let's get the speaker off itself. Let's see. Alright. Nothing else came in the box, just speaker and a charging cable. No charging brick, just speaker. Alright, so here's a close-up of the speaker right here. And has a built-in clip on it, or built-in carabiner, whatever you want to call it. Alright, you can hook it up to your backpack or whatever. Let's see here. It has the little JBL logo right here at the bottom. Nice, premium feel, small little speaker. You have your plus and minus and play buttons, so higher volume, lower volume button. And it looks like you have like a little LED right here that lets you know how much battery you got in here. And on the side, here's your Bluetooth connecting pairing button and the power button. And right here on the clip cover itself, alright, that's to keep, so you can keep it waterproof. So this is the micro USB charging slot, and it also has a 3.5mm jack. So if you want to plug a old school device up in there, bam, you plug it in like that, or plug, you know, however you want to do it. That's pretty cool. Alright, but you know, if you want it waterproof, you're gonna have to keep that covered up. So you use it Bluetooth. Alright, then on the back of it, it's got like rubber mat. It's got the little, one of these little signs on there. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Keep it from sliding all over the place. Let's go ahead and power this bad boy on and see if it got any juice to it. Okay. It's got some juice. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and pair it up to my old school iPod. So we're going to the settings right here. Alright. Bluetooth. Let's see what we get right here. JBL Clip. I didn't even have to push the Bluetooth button. It's already showing on there. See? It's already showing on there. I don't know if you can see that. JBL Clip 3. Let's go ahead and connect it. Alright, let's connect it. Alright, let me get some copyright free music. Alright, let's go ahead and see what she sound like. Let's get the max volume on here. Go ahead and get my meter out here so we can see how the volume.
Sitting in class, straight nothing do. Gonna start this party up, how about you? Spelling on track, shoot straight off the rack. People love to hate, let them choose their own fate. Cut the top off the can, cause you know I'm the man. Name got a sweat, that's straight out the back. Your girl come me up, had to let her know what's up. No, straight crazy, act a little lazy. Always Converse, spitting through the next version, no rap, all brand, other teams garbage. Beat a brother down, then shoot up his apartments.
Doing whatever I can, always be some plans, doing everything from popping bottles to making trips to Japan. Wanna know when I come by, because these chicks know I stay fly. Hi, do what you fly, don't you wanna be with an awesome guy? Me, out in the bed, so much better than the rest. I don't really wanna brag, but I never feel a test. I will always put it down, I will never ever rest. Got to speak blast clean out your chest. I'm about to take you for a ride, better be naughty like Bonnie, and I'll be fly. And I rhyme in time, I like sweet Caroline and girls that are fine.
What I'm going to do now, since they say it's waterproof, I'm going to see how waterproof it is. So I'm going to go ahead and cut to another scene, get a bucket of water, put it in there, and see how it goes. Alright? Alright, hold tight. Alright, back. Got us a little bucket of water, not bucket of water, but a bowl of water. And we're going to go ahead and test out. We're going to make sure we got this in here good, so it's sealed, because it said make sure it's sealed. Where's the directions at? Yeah, let me make sure. Yeah, in the directions it says make sure it's sealed right there. As you can see it right here. Now I probably should have showed you these directions earlier so you can pause this and read it for yourself. But nevertheless, I just want to double check. It says it's IPX7 rated. So it's supposed to be a waterproof speaker. So let's go ahead and place it in there. Alright, it's in the water. Let's go ahead and see if it plays. Yep, and it's floating. Put it underwater. All that water is bouncing off of it. That's crazy. As you see, it's in the water and it's still playing. And I got it at max volume. Max volume.
Name got a sweat, that's straight out the back. Your girl come me up, had a little what's up. No, straight crazy, act a little lazy. Always Converse, spitting through the next version, no rap, all brand, other teams garbage. Beat a brother down, then shoot up his apartments.
You see that? All the water is bouncing up off of it. It's pretty cool. But I wouldn't
be doing whatever I can. I was be scheming and making my plan.
All the water's bouncing off of it. Let's go ahead and pause this real quick.
Wanna know when I come by, because these chicks know.
Alright, I had to go ahead and pause it real quick so we can wipe it off because it's splashing everywhere. This is pretty cool. So if you're looking for something like to put a nice Bluetooth speaker with good sound to put into your like you want to have in your shower, because I know a lot of people, you know, like listen to music while they shower. This is a pretty cool pickup, especially if you can get it at a discount. Like I said, regular price was $69. I got it, you know, with a bunch of coupon codes and stuff, and it was on sale. I got it for like about 29 bucks at Kohl's. So yeah, ordered online. Week later, bam, showed it at the front door. This is pretty cool, pretty cool. And you see, like I did the water test. Still playing. Let me see.
I stay fly, hot,
Yeah.
do drop by. Don't you wanna be with them?
Still playing. Nothing wrong with it. Now, if it stops working over time, I'll come back and do an update video. But as of right now, shoot, this is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Like I say, if you can snatch it up at a discounted price, because sometimes they come on sale for like $49 instead of $69, regular price $69. Snatch it up. This is pretty good. Like I say, clip it to your backpack, or like I say, hang it in your shower, or take it by the pool to the beach. You know, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's not going to be something that's going to jumpstart the party, but just for personal listening, this is pretty cool. If you're backpacking, you're out hiking, and you want to put it in your backpack, and you get caught in the rain, you ain't got to worry about nothing. You ain't gonna mess up because it's waterproof, IPX7. So this is pretty good speaker. And like I said, I got the red colorway. I think they come in white, and I think they come in black. And I want to say I've seen it in blue, but don't quote me on that. But I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can pick it up from. But you can pretty much pick them up pretty much everywhere. I'm getting tongue tied. I mean, I've seen them at Walmart. Seen them at, I know they got them at Best Buy. Seen them at Target and Amazon. So yeah, you can pretty much pick these bad boys up everywhere. I'm pretty impressed. This is a pretty decent speaker. So yeah, that's been my quick little review of the JBL Clip 3. So yeah, if you're in the market for a nice little rugged Bluetooth speaker just to put on your backpack or put in the shower, listen to music or whatever, it's pretty cool. Also, like I said, it's also you can use it to take calls. If I'm not mistaken, let me double check. Doesn't hurt to check out the yep, speakerphone. You can see right here, speakerphone. You can use it as speakerphone. So yeah, you can take calls and everything. So in the shower, you ain't gonna miss nothing. You in the shower, listen to music, somebody call, bam, push the button, answer it, bam, you're good to go. You're good to go. So yeah, I appreciate you guys taking out the time to check out the video. And also, like I said earlier, once we get to that 2,000 subscriber mark, that's what I was talking about earlier. Stay tuned to the end of the video. We're going to do some giveaways on the products that I reviewed right here on the channel, all right? So once we get to that 2,000 subscriber mark, then I'm going to pick certain products and start doing giveaways of some of the products I reviewed right here on the channel, all right? So go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you'll be notified of new videos. Hit that like button because it helps the channel. So hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Like I said, once you get that 2,000 subscriber mark, it's going to be a jump off, all right? All right. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, all right? Now, if there's anything I missed in the video, you go ahead and click on the link below so you can find out more information on that. I just wanted to show it to you real quick. Alright, and the message for the day is be thankful and appreciative for what you already have. Don't be worried about what you don't have, what somebody else has. Just be thankful and appreciative of what you already have. Alright, that's the message for the day. Alright, you put the speaker down. This has been your boy Mark, Blue Screws and Views. Move this out of the way so I can go ahead and drop this mic, and I'm out. Peace.